package. Our package arrived. Okay, so this is for you. This is for me. I got Lay's. It says big box stuff from my big boxes. Oh yeah, I forgot I ordered that for you. It says here black and white blind bag. You think I'll be using this? Yep, you will. First look, what you call. Wait, I look at the back. Possibilities and rarities. If I get 2, there's a 65% chance. And you'll get nothing. Oh. Uncommon is 30% chance you get 2 items. Common is 1 item. 50%. It's 1. Legendary is 10%, 5 items. Rare is 3 items, 10%. So what are you hoping for? I'm hoping for legendary, of course. Me is just rare is okay. Just to inform you, uncommon is better than common actually. Like, why use scissors or? Scissors. I got uncommon. Lol. What's uncommon? Oh, 2 items. Yeah. Yeah, I think you're gonna use scissors. Yeah, you're gonna use scissors. Yeah, and there says cut there. Oh yeah, not to mention guys, we have a fan right there on the side. So wait, how much is uncommon? Oh, 2 items. It's okay. I feel like I cut something by accident. Oh, I almost cut. Oh, I cut. You cut. I cut my what here. Open me. Now I won. It's legendary. No, that item is legendary. Oh, they're different items has different rarities. Okay. I got legendary water. 1 mini fortune teller. So do I cut it open? Did you don't open it? It's squishy. Oh. You broke the squishy. I thought there was supposed to be something inside. If it's a blind bag. Actually, there's. Oh my god, DJ! Why did you do that? No. I'll hide, I promise. Okay, I can't believe I ruined the squishy. Okay, what's this? I got a common blind bag and uncommon. What's this? Another squishy? Is this another squishy? Yes. Almost, I almost cut it again. Wait, it's a video. It's a video. Yeah. Nothing. It's nothing. Oh. It's Dichi. She said she'll bite it later. She have to say hi. Whatever this orange. No, so, to the camera. Orange square. Dichi pick number. Hair. I got orange. What? I got orange square, hair, and a cup. That's all I got. Bruh. No. I got orange square. No. I got hair. That's French fries. I got hair. It's I got French a cup. Fries. No, there's supposed to be something in there, but I don't know where it went. There's nothing. It's supposed to be ice cream. It's not coming out. Look at my ice cream. This one is supposed to be nuggets. There's inside there's nuggets. Okay, let me open it. Let me open it. Okay, but be careful not to cut the nuggets. Because you seem really good at cutting. Wait. Yeah. Open the stuff first before the freebies. Oh, okay. Freebie. Black and white phone. Read the court. Nothing else. Oh, that's it. Just there's a lot of stuff in the freebies. Seriously. Shote, do not make too much mess. Do not make too much mess. Oh yeah, there is nuggets. See, I told you. It's big bag. Yeah, I don't like my evil smile. I was gonna say, wait, there's nothing. Wait, oh my god, just get in. When I opened it, I was like that. So then I'm like, wait, there's nothing in here. Then when I let go, I saw this. April 8:30, Wednesday, 16. I know it's not even 16 yet, but that's the future. Oh, my classmates message me. Freebie! Oh my god, freebies.
The stickers inside is freebie.
Oh wait, there's stickers?
Yeah.
There's no stickers. It's
Sticker.
got Coke.
Wait, there's a strawberry.
Here.
Strawberry.
Oh, this is a sticker?
Yes.
Lame. Got Coke as a sticker.
Freebie.
And I got a legendary strawberry sticker. And now I will make a face on it because I like Sprout. I will make Sprout.
There's a lot of inside.
Why you give me some mint? Oh! Achie! I thought. Okay, I thought. I thought it was when it wasn't.
The bracelet was actually for you.
Nugget. Everything's rolling away. Get the bottle. Get the. Achie, your best friend forever and ever and ever and ever and ever messaged you.
It's okay, it's okay.
Now you can make this.
Can I keep it?
Yeah, I put string.
Hamstring.
I already have my own.
I know.
But still, extras.
So,
And I made a bracelet for you. I also got this. Mentos. It's gonna be mine. Bro, I accidentally put it there.
sure.
Yeah, I accidentally put it there. I almost broke it!
Seriously.
It's better to double tie it, bitch. It's a ring. It's a ring now. Why do I look so white? I double tied it already. I'm gonna triple tie it now. I look so white compared to you. Yeah, cause black.
Just being mean to my friend.
You're fat.
I mean, that's true though.
Crying.
No.
She's ugly crying.
Queen never cry.
And you're not a queen. Jam is. Jam never cries. As in, she never cries. I already tied this 4 times. It's your ring. Guys, I have to put a face on this. And now I will show my classmates that I have something. Wait.
Tell them it's from me.
No, I'll tell them I made it.
You're taking the credit even though you did not make it. It's a nice spinny thing. It's fun.
My pen's not working.
No! I spun it too much. There's something serious. No. Oh my god. I hear it somewhere, but it's not there.
Achi,
See it? Thank you.
Why do you keep breaking it?
Sorry.
You keep making the beads go everywhere. Oh no. And now it's mine because you keep breaking it. Now you got no freebies. Ha!
It's okay, guys. I deserve it.
Ano may ilang Mentos? Since you didn't get any freebies, I'm gonna give you a Mentos.
We're gonna tie it.
Oh, come on, did you? Wow. Bye. Actually, do I stop the video? No, I'm gonna stop it. Bye, Papa.